Everyone want to know what would happen if we could talk to animals. It's a very interesting question. So let's talk about it. Animals communicate about 4 things. They let others in their group know about opportunities for food and threats from predators. They also communicate to build social networks and to attract mates, but animal communication systems aren't just simple languages. Rather, there are fundamental differences between the ways that non-human animals communicate with each other and the ways that human animals do. Let's consider 4 of these differences. First, animal communication systems always have a very limited range of expression. Honeybees perform a dance to communicate about the direction and distance to a resource, but they can't tell what that resource is. So those bees had no idea what a tasty treat was in store for them, and a caffeine buzz to boot. Vervet monkeys can warn other members of their group about an approaching predator. They even have different alarm calls for leopards, eagles, and snakes. These are their 3 main threats, and each requires a different kind of evasive action. But there's simply nothing else a vervet can talk about. Human languages, by contrast, have unlimited range of expression. A native speaker of a language knows tens of thousands of words. We're constantly learning new words as we go through life. And as a speech community, we make up new words as the need arises. Second, an utterance in an animal communication system is always a hollow phrase. In other words, each vocalization or gesture refers to an entire situation and not to the specific objects and events that make up that situation. So the vervet leopard call really means something more like, "Look out, there's a leopard coming this way." And the snake calls means something like, "Yikes, I just saw a snake in the grass." Human toddlers start their language development with hollow phrases as well. Ball can mean "give me the ball." Or "look, there's a ball." And no means something like, "I don't want that." Even human adults, when overcome with emotion, often resort to hollow phrases. In fact, the reaction of most humans to a snake in the grass isn't much different from that of a vervet monkey, snake. Third, animal communication systems generally lack the ability to combine symbols together to express novel ideas. It's still a matter for further research what a vervet would say if it encountered both a leopard and a snake at the same time. Still, we just don't see vervets combining symbols to express novel ideas. The honeybee dance does complicate this issue somewhat. Each honeybee dance will be different, because each time the distance and direction will be different. Still, honeybees have no ability to express any sort of meaning beyond that. It's this ability to combine symbols to express novel ideas that gives human language its expressive power. Finally, we can point out one last hallmark of animal communication systems, namely that they are always about the here and now. A vervet eagle call is about an eagle flying overhead at this very moment, and not about an eagle it saw last week. When a cow says moo, she's saying, "Here I am, right now," and not, "See you down by the water trough in half an hour." Hope you liked the video, so don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.
Yeah.